हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। यही क्लास रे आमे डिस्कशन करिबा मिडिवल इंडिया रो फास्ट आमे द पोलो डायनेस्टी रु स्टार्ट करिबा। फास्ट हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ पोलो डायनेस्टी? राइट आंसर इज गोपाल। केबे करथिला 1750 एडी। द कैपिटल ऑफ पोलो वाज पाटलिपुत्र गौर। गोपाल वाज followers of which religion? Buddhism. Who was the founder of Odantapuri University? Gopal कोठी ओडंतपुरी हेतिला हमरो बिहार रे थिला। नेक्स्ट who was the most powerful and famous ruler in Palo dynasty? Right answer is Dharma Palo. The Gujarat poet Sodhal said Uttar Path Swami to which ruler? Dharma Palo. Who was the founder of Bikramshila University? Dharma Palo, Bhagalpur, Bihar. Who was the founder of Somapuri University? Dharma Palo, North Bengal. Next, who was the founder of Jagadal University? Ramapalo, Bengal. Next, who was the last ruler of Palo dynasty? Govinda Palo. Who built the famous Mahabodhini temple at Bodh Gaya? Deva Palo. Who was the second founder of Palo dynasty? Mohipalo. Which Palo dynasty ruler was attacked and defeated by Rajendra Chola? Mohipalo. Next, the Gurjar ba Pathihara dynasty. Who was the founder of Gujarat Pathihara dynasty? Hari Chandra. Who was the most famous king of Gurjar Pathihara? Naga Bhatt I. How many branches were there in Gurjar Pathihara? 3. गोटे हला नंदीपुरी, मंडयपुर एंड उज्जैन. Next, who was the greatest ruler of Gurjar Pathiharas? Mohir Bhoj and Raja Bhoj. Which city became the premier city of India during the region of Pathiharas? Kannauj. Who founded the city of Bhopal? Raja Bhoj. Which Gurjar Pathiharas dynasty rule got the title of Adhivarsha? Mihir Bhoj. Mihir Bhoj Mihir Bhoj was the protector of which religion? Vaishnava religion. Who was the last ruler of Gurjar Pathiharas? Yashpala. Next, Sena dynasty. Who was the founder of Sena dynasty? Samanta Sena. Next, where was the capital of Sena dynasty? Lucknowti. Who was the most powerful and famous ruler of Sena dynasty? Vijaya Sena. Who was the court poet of Lakshman Sena? Jaya Sena. Who was the writer of the famous book Gita Govinda? Jayadev. Which religion the ruler of Sena dynasty were followed? Hinduism. Who was the last king of Sena dynasty? Lakshman Sena. Parmar dynasty. Who was the founder of Parmar dynasty? Upendra Raja. Who was the greatest ruler of the Parmara dynasty? Raja Bhoja. Who was the founder of the famous Sanskrit college as Dhara? Raja Bhoj. Who built the city of Bhojapur to the south of modern Bhopal? Raja Bhoj. Who built the city of Bhojpur in Bihar? Raja Bhoj. Who wrote the Ayurveda Saravastha work of medicine and Samarangana Sutra Shraddha works on architecture? Raja Bhoja. Raja Bhoja was famous by which man? Which name? Kaviraj. Next, चंडेला डायनेस्टी व चंदेल डायनेस्टी. Who was the founder of Chandel dynasty? Nanuka. Who was the most powerful ruler of Chandel dynasty? Dangadeva. Which Chandel king sacrificed his life at the Sangam in Prayag? Dhangadev. The famous temple Khajuraho were built by Chandel. Where was the earliest capital of Chandela? Khajuraho. Who was the last ruler of Chandel dynasty? Parmar or Parmardi. Next. The Sisodias of Mewar. Who was the founder of Sisodia dynasty? Rana Hamir. Where was the capital of Mewar? Chittor. Who were the famous ruler of Sisodia dynasty? Rana Kumbha or Rana Sanga. Next. Who built the Vijaya Stamba in the memory of his victory? Rana Kumbha. Next. Which city place Vijaya Stamba was built? Chittor. Who defeated the Muslim king Mewar? Rana Kumbha. Next. Who was the most powerful ruler of Sisodia dynasty? Right answer is Maharana Pratap. Between whom the battle of Kathauli was fought? Rana Sangha and Ibrahim Lodhi. What was the name of the horse Maharana Pratap? Chetak. Between whom and when the battle of Haldi Ghati was fought? Mughal king Akbar and Maharana Pratap 1576. Rashtrakuta dynasty. Who was the founder of Rashtrakuta dynasty? Danti Durga. Who was the most famous ruler of Rashtrakuta dynasty? Amukh Bharsa. Where was the capital of Rashtrakuta dynasty? Manya Khetra and Malkhed. Kailash temple of Ellora was built by Krishna I. Next, total number of caves present in Ellora caves, Maharashtra in 34. Next, the total number of caves present in Ajanta caves, Maharashtra is 30. Battle of Tokalam took place between Rashtrakuta and Cholas. Chalukya or Solanki dynasty. Who was the founder of Chalukya or Solanki dynasty? Mulraj I. Who was the most famous ruler of Chalukya dynasty? Pulakesin II. Which ruler of Chalukya dynasty defeated Harshavardhan? Pulakesin II. Who wrote the famous book Mitaksara? Vigyaneswara लेखक. Next. During the invasion of Muhammad Ghazni on Somnath temple, who was king of Chalukya dynasty? Bhimaraj I. Who destroyed Somnath temple? Muhammad Ghaznavi. When did Muhammad Ghaznavi invade Somnath temple? 1025 AD. Who reconstructed the Somnath temple? Bhimadeva. Next. Who built the famous Jainism temple Dilwara on Abu Mountain? Bimal Shah. Who built the Rudra Mahakal temple in Siddhapur? Jai Singh Siddharaj. Who was the last ruler of the Chalukya dynasty? Kriti Varman II. Next. Pallavas dynasty. Who was the founder of Pallavas dynasty? Singh Vishnu. The capital of Pallavas was Kanchi. Singh Vishnu was the follower of which religion? Vaishnava religion. Next. Who was most powerful ruler in Pallava dynasty? Narsimha Varman I. Next. Who got the title of Bhatapi Konda and Mahamalla in Pallava dynasty? Narsimha Varman I. Who established the famous city Mahabalipuram near Kanchi? Narsimha Varman I. Who built the Ratha temple Mahabalipuram? Narasimha Varman 1. Next. Who built the Kalidas temple? Who built the Kailasnath temple at Kanchi? Narasimha Varman 2nd. Next. Who built the Mukteswar temple at Kanchi? Narasimha Varman 2nd. Which pillar ruler sent a message to China? Narasimha Varman 2nd. Who was the last ruler of Pallava dynasty? Aparajita Varman. Lohar dynasty. Who was the founder of Lohar dynasty? Sangram Raj. Next. When was the Lohar dynasty was founded? 1003 AD. Who was the most famous ruler of the Lohar dynasty? Harsha. Who was the court poet of Harsha? Kalhana. Who was known as the Nero of Kashmir? Harsha. According to Kalhan, Harsha was cruel and despotic. Lohar dynasty of Kashmir was famous for which religion? Shaiva religion. Who wrote the famous book Raj Tarangini? Kalhan. Who was the last ruler of Lohar dynasty? Jayasimha. Lohar dynasty ended which year? 1172 AD. Next. Chauhan dynasty of Delhi and Chauhan dynasty of Delhi and Ajmer. Who was the founder of Chauhan dynasty? Vasudeva. The Chauhan dynasty was established in which year? 7th century. Which ruler of Chauhan dynasty founded the city of Ajmer? Ajapala. Next. Which ruler of Chauhan dynasty is known as Rai Pithora? Prithviraj III. Who was the court poet of Prithviraj Chauhan? Chand Bardai. Next. Who wrote the Prithviraj Rasu? Chand Bardai. The first battle of Tarain was fought in which year? 1191 AD. The first battle of Tarain was fought between whom? Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. Who was defeated in first battle of Tarain? Muhammad Ghori. Second battle of Tarain was fought in which year? 1192. Second battle of Tarain was fought between whom? Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. Who was defeated the second battle of Tarain? Prithviraj Chauhan. Who was the last ruler of Chauhan dynasty? Prithviraj Chauhan. In which year Chauhan dynasty became ended? In 1192 AD. Next. The Gohda Bhala dynasty. When and where the Gohda Bhala dynasty established? In 1185 AD at Kannauj. Who was the founder of Gohda Bhala dynasty? Chandradeva. Where was the capital of Gohda Bhala dynasty? Kannauj. Who was the most powerful ruler in Gohda Bhala dynasty? Govinda Chandra. Who was the poet of Jay Chandra? Sri Harsha. Next. Adhiya Charitram was written by Sri Harsha. When was the Chandawar fought? Chandawar fought 1194 AD. Chandawar was fought between whom? Muhammad Ghori and Jaychand. Who was defeated battle of Chandawar? Chandawar na, eta sabu Chanwar hobo. Chanwar. Jaychand defeat karthile. Next. In which war did Jaychand die? Chanwar war रे चंदवार बा चंदेरी वार कहुए एटा हु वाज द लास्ट रूलर ऑफ द गह द भल डायनेस्टी जयचंद नेक्स्ट ईस्टर्न गंग डायनेस्टी हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ ईस्टर्न गंग डायनेस्टी अनंत वर्मन चोडगंगदेव नेक्स्ट व्हेन एंड व्हेयर द ईस्टर्न गंग डायनेस्टी एस्टाब्लिश 1078 AD एट ओडिशा नेक्स्ट हु बिल्ड द जगन्नाथ टेम्पल एट पुरी अनंत वर्मन चोडगंगदेव which temple got the name White Pagoda the Jagannath temple Odisha who built the Sun temple at Konark Narsimha Deva first in 1255 AD which temple got the name Black Pagoda the Sun temple Odisha the capital of Eastern Ganga kingdom shifted from कलिंग नगर टू कटक के 12th सेंचुरी नेक्स्ट चोला डायनेस्टी हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ चोला डायनेस्टी विजयलय वेयर वाज द कैपिटल ऑफ चोला डायनेस्टी तांजोर हु एज्यूम्ड द टाइटल ऑफ मदुराई कोंडा आदित्य चोला हु वाज द मोस्ट फेमस किंग ऑफ चोला डायनेस्टी राजा राजा वन नेक्स्ट बृहदेश्वर शिव टेम्पल इन तांजोर वार बिल्ड बाय राजा राजा चोला वन नेक्स्ट बाय व्हिच नेम ऑल्सो द राजराजेश्वर टेम्पल इज नोन फॉर बृहदेश्वर टेम्पल द फेमस डेंसिंग नटराज फिगर ए फ्रॉम ऑफ शिव एट चिंदाम्बरम वाज built the Chola dynasty. Next. Who was the successor of Raja Raja I, Rajendra I, who assumed the title of Gondai Konda after defeating the Pala ruler Mohipala of Bengal, Rajendra I. What does the term Gongai Konda means? Winner of Gangas. Who built a new city Gongai Konda, Cholapuram, Rajendra I. The title of Pandit Chola was adopted by Rajendra I. Next. Gongai Konda Cholapuram temple at Gongai Konda Cholapuram was built by Rajendra Chola. The region of which Chola ruler is called the Golden Age of Chola, Rajendra Chola I. Which Indian king used naval power and conquered part of East Asia, Rajendra Chola. Next. Where was the second capital of Chola? Kanchipuram. Which language were very popular during the region of Chola? Sanskrit and Tamil. How many part of Chola Empire was divided? 8 part. Who was the last ruler of Chola dynasty? Rajendra III. Who was the first Muslim to invade India? Muhammad bin Qasim in 712 AD. Next. Muhammad Ghaznavi. Who was the father of Muhammad Ghaznavi? Ghazni ruler Subu Katengin. Muhammad Ghaznavi was born in 1971 AD. Who was the first to assume title of Sultan? Muhammad Ghaznavi. Who was the court poet of Muhammad Ghazni? Firdausi. Shahnama was written by Firdausi. The book Shahnama was written in which language? Persian. Who was Al-Biruni? Famous historian, mathematician and astronomer. Kitabul Hind was written by Al-Biruni. Among the Turkish Who made the first attack on India? Muhammad Ghazni. What was the main object of invention of Muhammad Ghaznavi on India? To acquire the west wealth of India. When did Muhammad Ghaznavi lead the first invasion against India? 1000 AD. How many times did Muhammad Ghaznavi invade India between 1000 to 1100 AD? 17th time. Next. In which year did Muhammad Ghaznavi attack Somnath temple? 1025 AD. Where is situated the famous Shiva temple Somnath? At Kathiawar in Gujarat. In which year did Muhammad Ghaznavi die? 1030 AD. Next. Muhammad Ghori. Who was the founder of Turkish Empire in India? Muhammad Ghori. Next. Who was the founder of Muslim ruler in India? Muhammad Ghori. Who invited Muhammad Ghori to attack Prithviraj Chauhan? Jai Chand. The first battle of Tarain was fought in which year? 1191 AD. Next. The battle of Dharmat was fought between Jai Chand and Muhammad Ghori. Who was defeated in the first battle of Tarain? Muhammad Ghori. The second battle of Tarain fought in which year? 1191. Who defeated in second battle of Tarain? पृथ्वीराज चौहान. ଆଉ ହେଇଥିଲା ପୃଥ୍ୱୀରାଜ और मोहम्मद ଘୋରି ଭିତରେ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଉ ପୃଥ୍ୱୀରାଜ ଚୌହାନ ହାରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ. When was the Chandwar was ମାନେ ଚନ୍ଦିଲି ୱାଲ୍ ଫାଉଟ୍? 1194. Chandwar war fought between मोहम्मद ଘୋରି and ଜୈତନ୍ এটা ডিফিট କରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ. Who were the court poet of मोहम्मद घोरी? फारुकुद्दीन गाजी and नाजमी उरूजी. Muhammad Ghori appointed whom to viceroy of his conquered territory in India? Qutbuddin Aibak. In which year did Muhammad Ghori was died? 1206 AD. Next. The Delhi Sultanate. The Ilbari dynasty or slave dynasty. Who was the founder of slave dynasty? Qutbuddin Aibak. Who was the first independent Muslim ruler of India? Qutbuddin Aibak. Where was the first capital of Qutbuddin Aibak? Lahore. Which title did Qutbuddin Aibak assume? Malik and Sipa Salar. Who known as the Lux Box for his magnanimity? Qutbuddin Aibak. How many mosques were built Qutbuddin Aibak? 2 mosques. Who built the Quwwat ul Islam Mosque in Delhi? Qutbuddin Aibak. Who built the mosque आधाई दिन का झोपड़ा एट अजमेर? एटा मध्य कुतुबुद्दीन आइबाक करथिले. Who laid the foundation stone of Qutbuddin Minar at Delhi? कुतुबुद्दीन आइबाक देथिले. Highest and diameter of Qutbuddin Minar hela 72 meter by 239 feet and diameter hela 114.3 meter. Qutub Minar was built in the memory of famous Sufi saint Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiar Kaki. Next. Who was the religious instructor of Qutbuddin Aibak and Iltutmish? Khawaj Qutbuddin Aibak Bakhtiar Kaki. Who were the court poet of Qutbuddin Aibak? Hasan ul Nizami and Fakhruddin. Who was the author of Taj ul Masin? Hasan ul Nizami. Who was the author of the Tarikh-e-Mubarak Sasi? Farrukh Shah Fakhruddin. In which year Qutbuddin Aibak was died? 1210 AD. How did Sultan Qutbuddin Aibak died? He died after a fall from his horse while playing chougan বা polo. Who was the successor of Qutbuddin Aibak? His son Alam Shah. After the death of Qutbuddin Aibak, who was famous Sultan of Delhi? Iltutmish. Who was the real founder of Turkish ruler in India? Iltutmish. Who was the Iltutmish? Son-in-law of Qutbuddin Aibak. Iltutmish belongs to which dynasty? Shamsi dynasty. Where was the capital of Iltutmish? Delhi. Next. Genghis Khan attacked India during the reign of Iltutmish, who the Caliph of Baghdad recognized as the ruler of the Muslim Kingdom of India. Iltutmish. Who completed Qutbuddin Minar? Iltutmish. Who introduced Iqta system? Iltutmish. Which ruler of slave dynasty introduced silver tonka and copper jital? Iltutmish. Who was the author of Tabaq-i-Nasir? Minhaj us Siraj. Who was the called father of tomb building? Iltutmish. Tarkan-i Chahgalni or Chalisa group of 40 nobles was founded by Iltutmish. Who was the wife of Iltutmish? Shah Turkan. Who was the son of Iltutmish? Rukuruddin Firoz. Who was the daughter of Iltutmish? Razia Sultan. Next. Who was the first and last Muslim woman ruler of medieval India? Razia Sultan. Who was the married with Razia Sultan? Malik Al-Tunia. Who was appointed as the master of stable? Jalaluddin Yaqut. Who was the Ikhtiruddin Al-Tunia? The Iqtawar, governor of Sirhind. Who revolted against Razia Sultan? Ikhtiruddin Al-Tunia. Razia Sultan died in the which year? 13 October 1240 at New Delhi. Who was the greatest ruler of slave dynasty? Ghiyasuddin Balban. Who the power of Chehalgani was destroyed by Ghiyasuddin Balban. To control the Mongols, who founded the separate military department Diwan-i-Arj किए करथिले माने Ghiyasuddin Balban. Who was the first Sultan of Delhi Sultanate established the principle of revenue? Ghiyasuddin Balban. Next, who called himself Jil-i-Ilari, the shadow of God? Ghiyasuddin Balban. Who impressed upon the people that kingship was the vice regency of God on earth? Niyabat-i-Khudai. Ghiyasuddin Balban. Who started the Iranian system of Sijda and Pivos? Ghiyasuddin Balban. Who introduced the Nowruz festival? Ghiyasuddin Balban. Who followed the policy of blood and iron? Ghiyasuddin Balban. Who were the contemporary poet of Balban? Amir Hassan and Amir Khusro. Who was the inventor of sitar? Amir Khusro. Next, Khajian-ul-Futul, Tughlaq-Nama and Tariq-i-Alai were written by Amir Khusro. Amir Khusro is also as Tuti-i-Hind or Patriot of India. The medieval history what known as a city of rebel. Lakha, Lakhanauti, who was the last ruler of slave dynasty. Samsuddin Kuyumars, Khilji dynasty. Who was the first sultanate of Khilji dynasty? Jalaluddin Khilji. Next, which tribe Jalaluddin Khilji belongs to? Turkish. Which Khilji ruler were very lenient of king-hearted? Jalaluddin Khilji. Which Khilji rule avoided hard punishment and gave sermon to the culprit? Jalaluddin Khilji. What was the most important event in Jalaluddin religion? The invention of Devgiri by Ali Garsap, who was the murdered by Ali Garsap in 1296 AD. Jalaluddin Khilji. Next, who was the most famous ruler in Khilji dynasty? Alauddin Khilji. Who adopted the title of Sikandar in Sahani? Alauddin Khilji. Who were the scholars in court? Alauddin Khilji, Amir Khusro and Amir Hassan Dehalvi. When did Alauddin Khilji invade Gujarat? 1298-99 AD. Who sent Ulugh Khan and Nusrat Khan capture Ranthambore? Alauddin Khilji. Who sent Malik Kafur to invade South India? Alauddin Khilji. Malik Kafur was the general of Alauddin Khilji, who was the first ruler of organized a stable army. Alauddin Khilji, who was the first Muslim ruler to pay salary to his soldier in cash. Alauddin Khilji. Dag and Chehra system is military was introduced by Alauddin Khilji, who was the first sultan in Delhi fixed land revenue in cash. Alauddin Khilji. Who banned the use of wine and intoxicant? Alauddin Khilji. Which Khilji ruler organized an efficiency spy system? Alauddin Khilji. Who built the Alai Darwaza? Alauddin Khilji. Who built the Thousand Pillars Place? Alauddin Khilji. Who built the fort of Siri? Alauddin Khilji. What is the most important fort of Alauddin Khilji? Alai Fort. Who proclaimed kingship known to no kingship? Alauddin Khilji. Next, Tughlaq dynasty. Who was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty? Ghazi Malik and Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq belongs to which dynasty? Koruna Turk. How many times Mongols invaded India during the reign of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq? 29. The title of Ghazi or Slayer was adopted by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Who restored the efficient postal service? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Who built the city Tughlaqabad near Delhi and made it in his capital? Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Who said that Delhi is far away? Sufi saint Sheikh Nizamuddin Auliya. When did Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was died? In 1325, fell from a high-raised pavilion. From where the travelers Ibn Battuta came? Central Asia, Moroccan travel. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, 1325 to 1351 BC. What was the real name of Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Jauna Khan. Next, Muhammad bin Tughlaq was proficient in calligraphy. Who was the expert Arabian, Persian, astronomy, philosophy, math and medicine? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who was the most extraordinary king in Tughlaq dynasty? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq changed his capital from Delhi to Dawlatabad, Devgiri, because he wanted to escape from the Mongol invasion. Which ruler of Tughlaq dynasty introduced token currency to a copper coin in place of gold and silver coins? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who separate department agriculture Diwan-e Amir Kohi was set up? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who was the court poet Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Amir Hassan Deha Dehlavi. What was the first measure of Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Land text in the Dwab. Who ordered the transaction of a large number of Hindu religions works on the Sanskrit to Persian? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next, Ibn Battuta visited India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. From where the traveler Ibn Battuta came? Right answer is Morocco, North America. The who made the Iqta system hereditary? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who founded the most famous city? Hisar, Firoja, Jaunpur, Firozabad. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Diwan-e Bundagani, a new separate department of slave, was founded by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who built the famous Yamuna Canal? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who built the first canal of Satluj and Ghaggar? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who imposed Haq-e-Sarf or Hasil-e-Sarf, that is water tax? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which tax Firoz Shah Tughlaq levied on the temple? Kharaj, Zakat and Jizya and Khams. Who bought two pillars of Ashoka from Topara and Meerut? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who established a hospital at Delhi? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who set up a new department of Diwan-e-Khairat to make provision for marriage of poor girls? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who introduced the new coin Adha 50% Jital and Bikth 25% Jital? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who was the court poet of Firoz Shah Tughlaq? Barani. Who wrote the book Tariq-e Feroz Shahi and Fatah-e Jahangiri? Barani. Who was the ruler of the Delhi when Amir Taimur Mongols invaded India in 1398 AD? Nasir-ud-Din Muhammad. Who was the last ruler of the Tughlaq dynasty? Nasir-ud-Din Muhammad Shah. Next, the Sayyid dynasty 1440 AD to 1450. Who was the founder of Sayyid dynasty? Khazir Khan. Which title did Khazir Khan assume? Rayat-e-Allah. Who established Mubarakabad? Mubarak Shah. Who was the father of Alauddin Alam Shah? Muhammad Shah. Who built the Mausoleum of Mubarak Shah Said? Alauddin Shah Alam. Who wrote the Persian book Tariq-e-Mubarak Sahani? Ahaya bin Ahmad bin Abdullah Sirhind, history of Muhammad Shah. Who was the last ruler of Sayyid dynasty? Alauddin Shah Alam.